Today we're looking at how to turn a camellia into a topiary, and not just the ones that are espaliered against a fence, but one with topiary balls. Now, in a previous video we've shown you how to hard prune a camellia, and this is the result that you'll get there. But if you don't want that look, then you might like this look. So let's take a look at how you prune a camellia to make a topiary with ball shapes. And here we are at Ross's garden, and he's going to take us through the process. Tell us about this one. How long ago did you do that big hard prune on it?
Probably 10 years ago.
Okay, and then it just bushed out?
Bushed out. I was a little lax on doing it for the last couple of years. So it's gone a little bit feral up the top, but not happy with the shape of it. I was this was was hedged as a box shape, and I think I can pull another 2 balls out of it. One ball here, another one around the other side, and have a bare trunk. But I don't know what's in there, so this is a process of discovery.
So this is just opening up the bottom so we can see where we're going.
For some structure and just see where a ball could come out, which I'm currently thinking it'd be nice to have a shape here.
Okay, so a bit lower down.
Yeah, just got to determine what the structure of the thing's going to look like. They want to come off, and yet they seem to be forming the best one place to form that ball. And this is where I can procrastinate for at least 2 weeks. It's all about starting. Make a bit of an impact, and then you can start to see what's possible. Niwaki?
Niwaki. That's the Japanese term,
I think,
and it means garden tree, but the Japanese form of a garden tree is highly sculptured.
There we have it. It'll take some time, but I have found camellias respond pretty quickly. I'm going to lose the flower for this year.
Yes.
But I'm looking for the new growth.
Well, you're looking long term too. You're
Yeah.
reshaping the whole.
That's it.
Reshaping the whole plant.
Yeah. Just expose it and have a look. Step back, have a look.
So that the idea is that you get enough off so that you can see what you're doing.
Yeah.
And then figure out which is the best bit to leave and which other parts come away. Because you want nice looking trunks at the bottom, because they're going to be exposed.
Yeah, a good framework.
Is that a potential ball?
It's a potential to do a bit of a shape, perhaps like that.
Right around it, yep. Start by determining which branches really have to go. The ones that you know aren't going to support any topiary balls. And remove them. This will open up the plant and allow you to see where the topiary balls will definitely go. Remembering that for best results, you'll have the topiary balls at different levels. And once you've decided that, you can then remove all of the unwanted growth. So it is a matter of sort of sitting back and taking a look at it, isn't it?
I think being a little bit ginger in the decision making for a little bit. So he's coming off, and that one's coming off.
Remove the rest, and then you're coming back to those stems that you've left behind, trimming them up, removing the foliage from the lower part, and then starting to round off the ball so that it sends out a lot more new shoots. So the idea is that we might get another ball forming over here.
Could well there, giving a bit of light coming through.
Now it obviously needs a little bit of time to push out new growth, but that will happen fairly quickly at this time of the year.
6 months it should see some action.
So there we go. About how long ago did we do this?
I think it was last year.
Last year. And the top shapes are all good?
Not bad.
And these
Could
ones,
be neater.
These ones here are still forming.
Yeah.
So how long do you reckon they'll take to fill out like that?
Next year.
And here's the plant when the top topiary balls, which weren't pruned back that heavily, are in full flower. And it's interesting, you can see the different coloured flowers on the same plant. So this plant is actually reverting a little bit. And this does happen not only with camellias, but a whole range of garden plants. Subscribe to the YouTube channel for more videos on pruning plants and indeed a whole range of garden plants. And as always, good luck with your gardening.